This is the Huygens principle Wavefront interactive calculator, which solves wave propagation problems using Huygens principle for various optical and wave phenomena. The calculator has a drop-down menu for select calculation mode with 6 options: wavefront position from source, secondary wavelet envelope, diffraction angle at aperture, interference path difference, refraction wavefront angle, and Fresnel zone radius. For this demo, I'm using wavefront position from source. The input fields include wavelength in meters, frequency in hertz, time in seconds, wave velocity in meters per second, distance from source in meters, aperture width in meters, observation angle in degrees, path difference in meters, refractive index 1 and 2, incident angle in degrees, Fresnel zone number, and source distance and observation distance both in meters. Let me demonstrate with test values of 10 for all inputs. After clicking Calculate, the results show wavefront distance equals 100 meters. Number of wavelengths equals 10 wavelengths, wave frequency equals 1 Hz, and the status indicates spherical wavefront propagating from source. These outputs tell us the wavefront has traveled 100 meters from the source, completing exactly 10 wavelength cycles at a frequency of 1 Hz, forming a spherical propagation pattern. This calculator streamlines complex wave calculations for optical design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.